Hello everyone, my name is Deepika Baluni and I'm from Delhi. I have completed my graduation in B.B.A at 2023. Af- So I thought of changing my career to IT sector. After searching, I got to know about Evision. So I joined for 45-day full online internship program under which I learned many skills like CCNA, basic networking, virtualization, Windows administration, and many more things. After that, I got placed in at PIPL, which is a payroll company, and my client is EXL. So I want to thank all the Evision mentors who helped me in getting the job. So I hope all the freshers who wants to pursue their career or want to change their career in IT sector to join Evision. Thank you.